x7 equal to dash. Sharp thinking. Twi11 is the right choice. Multiplication is repeated dash. Strong choice. Addition is the right answer. 6/8 can be written as 6. Excellent choice. True is the right answer. How many notes of Ras 50 makes Ras 5 puzzles? Great thinking. 100 is the right choice. Dash is the answer of a division problem. You chose quotient, and it is correct. When you divide 250 by 6, the remainder will be. Good job. Your answer 4 works well here. Which two numbers can be used to derive the tables of 15? Valid point. 10 and 5 is true. In multiplication, the answer obtained is called as dash. Bravo. Product is the answer. Multiplication is repetitive subtraction. True or false? Good thinking. False is the right answer. How many 5 rupee coins will be needed to make 250 rupees? Well picked. 50 is the correct answer. A spider has 8 legs. How many legs would 12 spider have? Nice selection. 96 is the correct and valid answer. The cost of 6 man cloth is as 60, then the cost of 1 cloth is as 10. You're right. True is the correct answer. A toy tricycle has 3 wheels, so 42 tricycles will have dash wheels. Right choice. 126 is the best answer. A pencil costs rupee 5, so the cost of 20 pencil will be rupee dash. On track. 100 is the correct answer. Kapil bought 4 bananas for as 20. How much will 1 dozen bananas cost? You got it. Your choice as 60 is right. If price of pen is Rs 7, then what will be the price of 23 such pencils? 161 is a solid answer. All the values in the table of 6 can be calculated using the table of 3. Excellent. True is a brilliant choice. The cost of 10 chocolates is Rs 40, then the cost of 1 chocolate is Rs 3. Well reasoned. False is the correct choice. Komal bought 7 toffees. Can these be shared equally among her 2 children? Solid response. No is a valid choice. Teen plants 40 saplings in 10 rows. How many saplings are there in each row? Smart pick. 4 is the correct choice. George had 36 toy cars. Each car has 4 wheels. How many wheels do they have altogether? Right again. 144 is a valid answer. There are 40 chairs in a classroom. How many chairs will be there in 9 such classrooms? Perfect. 360 is the correct choice.
If you arrange 18 stars into 6 equal groups, how many stars will be there in each group?
Clear logic. Your choice 3 is sound and 100% true. John had 3 bags of cookies. Each bag had 22 cookies. How many cookies does he have in all? Well done. 66 is the right choice. Tina, Malini and Mohit went to the store and bought 24 sweets. How many sweets do they each get? Nice work. You chose 8 and it is correct. A monkey jumps 3 steps at a time starting from 0. Count the jump he takes to reach 33rd step. Great job. 11 jumps is the accurate answer. A bookshelf will hold 8 textbooks. Mrs. Thomas has 42 books. How many shelves will she need? Exactly. 6 makes sense and it is right choice.
Veronica had 48 marbles. She sorted them into 8 groups. How many marbles will be in each group?
Correct response. 6 is the most accurate answer.
There are 80 trees in 5 rows and each row has same number of trees. Then how many trees in one row?
Correct. 16 is the right answer.
If Juhi puts rupee 5 in her piggy bank every day, in how many days would she have saved rupee 1825?
Smartly, 65 is an accurate answer.
Mr. Smith has 3 science classes. Each group has 15 students in it. How many students does Mr. Smith have?
Right choice, 45 is the best answer. Pintu wants a change for rupee 500. How many knots will she get if she once went all notes of rupee hundreds? Dash.
You chose 5, and it is correct.
A bus holds 30 students. There are 100 students in 4th grade. How many buses will be needed for a field trip? Correct response. 4 is the most accurate answer. If there are 3 notes of Rs, 55 notes of Rs, 106 notes of Rs, 10 in a bundle, then what is the total amount?
Nice selection. 710 is the correct and valid answer.
A book has 108 pages. If Farida reads 9 pages a day, how many days will it take her to finish reading the book?
Nice work. You chose 12, and it is correct. A theatre can seat 460 people at one time. If the theatre fills every seat for 3 weeks, how many tickets were sold?
Excellent. 9660 is a brilliant choice.
There are 5 chocolates in a box, and there are 8 such boxes. How many chocolates will be there in all the boxes together? Clear logic. Your choice 40 is sound and 100% true.
There are 480 laddus in the Baimabai's shop, and he wants to pack them in 16 boxes equally. How many laddus come in one box?
Strong choice. 30 is the right answer. Vanilla has a ribbon that is 3720 cm long. She wants to divide it into 4 equal parts. What will be the length of each part? Sharp thinking. 930 cm is the right choice. In the given long division problem, 104 is the dash. On track. Dividend is the correct answer. Harshal picked 28 carrots from her garden. If she threw out 11 of them and then picked 9 more the next day, how many carrots would she have total? Great job! 26 is the accurate answer.
Look at the clock. How many minutes past 6 does it show?
You're right. 50 minutes is the correct answer.
What is the value of the number in the blank box, given above? Well reasoned. 21 is the correct choice. Tara and her 3 friends contribute the same amount of money to buy food for a party. If they spend a total of rupee 2,000, how much did each of them spend? Valid point. Rupee 500 is true. If there are 6 flowers in one vase, how many flowers are there in 6 such vases? Perfect. 36 is the correct choice.
3 students divided 60/12 by 3 as shown in the picture. Who solved it correctly?
Right again. Student 1 is a valid answer. Neha and Arjun are in a shop. Neha buys 1 comic book for rupee 100. Arjun spends the exact same amount as Neha to buy 5 pens. What is the price of 1 pen if each pen costs the same? Smart move. 20 is an accurate answer. Kanika has some 10 rupee coins in her pouch. How much money is inside the pouch in total? You got it? Your choice 70 rupees is right. A bunny rabbit crosses 3 steps in 1 bunny hop. How many steps will it cross in 7 bunny hops?
Correct, 21 is the right answer. A bunny rabbit crosses 2 steps in 1 bunny hop. How many bunny hops will it take to reach the finish point? Well done. 10 is the right choice. Atul buys all the items on the grocery list shown at the prices mentioned. Calculate the total amount of money he spends.
Well picked. Ours 218 is the correct answer. Atul has to color all the stars in this sheet. How many different colors will he use if he uses each color pencil to color exactly 8 stars?
Bravo, 4 is the answer.
Write numbers from 100 in your notebook, as shown in the picture. Circle and shade every 9th number. Observe the pattern. How many number did you shade?
Solid response. 11 is a valid choice.
Each of 6 children was given a set of coloring sheets and color pencils, as shown in the picture. How many color pencils do the children have altogether?
Nicely done. 48 is a solid answer.
How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format. Great thinking. Contact Narayan Changder on Facebook is the right choice.